I want to just get one other point in here. This is a slight side note. I want to note that the SEC again rejected a Bitcoin ETF application. Sorry to drag everybody in on Bitcoin here. This time from Wilshire Phoenix. Is this the last straw for Bitcoin ETFs? How 2 years we've been doing Bitcoin ETFs getting thrown out by the SEC?
I doubt very heavily that it's going to be the last straw. I think everyone will continue to listen to the feedback and the notes from the SEC, what their comments are, and they will continue to address it. At some point, when market demand and investor demand, pushes the pendulum to a certain area, they'll probably take another look at it. And have different kinds of consideration. I don't think it's the last straw, but I don't predict any significant changes from the SEC's decision in the near future.
Any thoughts?
That's right. You'll see a central bank cryptocurrency before you'll see a Bitcoin ETF.
Yeah, well, that just makes sense to me. A tethered coin, tethered to a currency like the United States, as a way to have frictionless transactions. So I got $1,000 in tethered U.S. dollars.
Yep.
In my account, I can move it anywhere I want in the world. I can buy anything I want. It's like a credit card, essentially, although it's not credit. That makes imminent sense to me. Yep. A Bitcoin that's not tied to anything, that just moves around, is too risky for me to have in my account. I don't know. Doesn't tethered coins make more sense?
I think you're onto something. I think that maybe part of what they're waiting for is a little bit more structure and oversight into the operational complexity of cryptocurrency transactions. Remember, these are ledger kind of transactions, so this is not something that's as standard as a DTC settlement. I think when we start to see more risk diversification and more understanding about how these various products, not just Bitcoin, how they operate, I think that's probably what's needed at the commission level.
Dan, is this all a lot of hooey to you?
More important is blockchain technology, right? How businesses are using blockchain. I mean, Bitcoin or any of these other coins are just a manifestation of a technology. Whether we care about it, do you use Venmo? I mean, people use Venmo right now. They can move their money around. It's not that big a deal. Do we really need Bitcoin? I'm not a drug dealer. I'm not worried about moving money.
You're saying the world's got it already. We already have effective
We have
way to move money.
many ways to move money around. I don't know that we need to be able to hide ourselves.
When I was in college,
identities.
I was looking for that envelope from my mom to come in the mail. Now my son, who's in college, is a freshman. It's a Zelle or a Venmo every single time. That's all it is.
No, you're right. Good point.